Tired of being detected using AI for your essay or your homework, like this? Don't worry. ChatGPT has just released a brand new patch of it, which called GPT-5, a smarter and more accurate version than it used to be. In today's video, I will show you how to bypass AI detection when doing your task in just a few minutes with GPT-5. Let's get started. About the way to access to GPT-5 version, you won't need to worry about it because they have already updated the version since the 21st of August, so just go to ChatGPT as usual. Okay, the things will be easy from here. As I said before, the new version is more accurate and harder to be detected as AI-generated. So you just need to ask them to generate a document as usual. For example, I ask them to make me an IELTS Writing Task 2 essay, with the criteria to be in Band 7 or 7.5, like this. And then just hit the Send button. Remember not to add any clause to let them do it in the most human-like way. I will show you why later. Okay. Now I would just copy the paragraph and go to GPTZero, a credibility tool to detect AI, and paste it into the field to let it scan for the AI. And can you see the difference here? The AI has just finished an entirely paragraph without being detected as AI. And the prompt you made didn't need to ask them, make it like a human as usual. Very insane, right? Trust me, I even could not believe my eyes when I saw the result like this. But yeah, it was the truth. Now, back to the question that why you didn't need to ask them to do it in the most human-like way. I will show you a video right now, when the AI is required to generate a paragraph like a human. And I will do the same action to scan the passage. Guess what? The result is totally different right now. The reason is that the AI was asked to write in a human-like way, which the latest has already done without any clauses like this, so the AI will try to polish it again to make it more viable as a human, which causes an opposite result like in the video. I guess I won't need to talk any more about this. You already know why after it. Okay, this is the end of the video. Hope this video would be a great information for you. Thanks for waiting and watching my videos, and please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for me. I appreciate that a lot. Stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.